Little bit zoom.
Yeah, sir.
స్క్రీన్ மட்டும் కొంచెం జూమ్ చేయండి. కింద చిన్నది కనబడుతుంది.
Yeah, okay. Sir, okay now?
Okay.
Yeah. So next one, creation of zero balance real account. Zero balance is under liability. So /n FS00. So liability is 1 lakh. 1,01,001. Click on create. Here liability under balance sheet. Here short text is zero balance account, and long text is also zero balance account. Enter. Here click on control data. Here check only balance in local currency. Here open item management, line item display, and short key 001. So you're noting down, or can I continue?
Why zero balance?
Sir?
Zero balance. Name
Yeah.
only zero balance. For this amount every month we need to keep zero for this account.
Every month we'll create this one, sir, zero balance account.
Okay. Zero balance means why we account for that? Zero balance account is we can move any suspense like that. I'm asking.
Suspense. Sir, for every month we'll get one loss or profit, no sir. That balance will be under this one.
Okay.
We'll
For time
transfer
being,
that
parking this account
one.
for we.
Yeah.
For time being, we parking. After that, we need to close.
Yeah, yes, sir. Like I said, no sir, recurring document account.
Okay.
Recurring. That I said, no sir, return earnings account. That every month P&L, every month the system will carry forward profit and loss account to this one. In OB 53 I said, sir, that balance will be forwarded to this one, zero balance account.
Okay.
Continue, sir.
Yeah, continue.
So next one, create bank or interest. It is under Z005 bank accounts. So enter and save. So next one, define zero balance clearing account. slash and SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting, business transactions, here document splitting, here define zero balance clearing account. Here select 000. So we are using standard one. So select
Mm.
000. Double click on accounts. Here chart of accounts is our company code. Here click on new entries. Here GL account is, now we created a zero balance account. So that one we need to give here. Zero balance account. Enter and save. So clear, sir.
Okay.
Next one, define document splitting characteristics for GL accounting. So SPRO through path, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, general ledger accounting, business transactions, document splitting, define document splitting characteristics for GL accounting. Here we need to tick profit center, enter and save.
Before when you told we need to remove tick, for this we need to click tick.
Yes, sir. For balance, zero balance account we have created, no, sir. For that way,
Yes.
for that one we need to tick for profit center.
Okay.
Today my server is very slow.
Mm. After this, we yeah, close this.
Yeah, sir.
After this, we wind up.
Yeah, sir. Sir, actually, next topic is posting journal ledger document and posting journal entries.
Okay, we'll see tomorrow then.
Yeah, okay.
Single we need to do care, right?
Yeah, sir.
Posting and all we need to do here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, before posting we can the code and we can check that option also there in SAP. Yeah.
Which one, sir? Posting entries.
Yes.
Sir, after posting, we can check, sir, what we have posted or not. After
If
posting the
I
entries,
uploaded
we
the
have
journal,
that option.
before that we can't do check.
No, sir. Before that, only we can check that creating like how many entries or how many thi- uh, like how many entries like general ledgers how many we have created we can check, like display general ledger creation we can see, that's it.
In Ocean we are having option that before posting we are
Okay.
uploading the journals. Once entering into Ocean, so what is the journal it is happening? After that we download the report and we post the report.
Okay.
If before posting is there is good now, so that if
Before
anything
posting,
we
no sir.
mismatch.
Sir, I don't know actually. I'll ask anyone and say.
Okay. Oh, at a time mass of mass pushing over there, right?
Yeah, yes sir.